Ah? Hello guys, for this video is magawa tayo ng rice off dahil sa bowl. So ngayon is iyan naman natin to guys, ipakali mo natin kasi kung gaano karami yung tubig, ganun din yung dami ng rice. Baba, di baba, 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 dalahin mo, punta rito. For example, yan. Dalawa kasi tag-isa kami ni Jowa mo. Maingay din yung matres ko. Example, ayan. Alright, ito ko. So the water is here. Put here. Tapos, yung tubig niya guys, dapat mainit din. I don't know, is hot here or no? Ayan. Dapat mainit din na. Kung gano'n karami yung tubig, yung bigas, ganun din yung ano guys, yung tubig. Malamig. So, tatakpan lang natin siya dyan guys. Kuha tayo ng ano, panakip. Takpan lang natin siya dyan mga may guys. Tayo natin ng, sabi kasi dito 8 minutes. 8 minutes daw guys. Ayan. Ayan, check eh. Ayan, check natin guys yung ano, yung rice. Ay! Dalawa na pala na. Oh, mali ako dun. Akala ko only one eh. Ayan na siya guys. O, diba? Yung takoyaki rice. So, kain na kami. Let's go. Siyempre, ito ulam namin, oh. Jollibee! In spicy. Spicy and not spicy. Kain tayo guys. Lance, nag-order nga pala ko bakit sa Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Tapos may mga sauce kami dito. Oh, we have disposable ano here. Oh, let's go. Ayan, kain na kami guys. Kain na kami ng Jowa naman. Ano using my hand. Using my hand. Rice tayo ngayon guys. Oh. Wow. And you like this ano sauce? Yeah? 6. I give to my sister-in-law 2 and to my daughter 6 pieces. Oh, ito sa akin oh. Siyempre video yung maamo. Yung diet ngayon. Diet tomorrow. Sarap. Ano yung natagsan ko yung like?
No.
Less luto. Less amore. Less cooking. I don't eat skin. Just only just only Sarap. The rice is like a noodles, no? The rice is like a noodle. Give to my mother. May kasama ko isa. Ay, guys, kung maanghang, kain tayo. yung patsuerte, oh. Nagkain sila ng chicken din, oh. Nanay ko pa yun. Nom, nom, nom. Pieces 450 na. 8 pieces 500. Yan, eating space. We have key there, eh. Gun? Key. I don't know where it is. This battery we have key. Ah, there. I think it's gun. Need two key. Key. Oy.
It's not. Too big for me.
This one I give to my mother. Because the one is daughter eating. You eat?
Not that one.
No, daughter finish eating. I don't like the hot spicy. Nom 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 nom. Like you gum. Did you pay already the parcel?
No.
How much?
155.
Okay. So I leave to my mother because we go to the Euratel. I don't know what time to come. Maybe he called me. Maybe I live in the store to set the yeah. And I said go to the vegetable store. I leave the money. Then you leave the item, huh? Because my mother if the huh? Yeah, sleeping or the air is cannot hearing. Not hear.